a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Subella Hair. Now, if you haven't seen my last Subella review, then girl, what are you doing? That must mean that you're new. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave. But also, I'll make sure to link that video up in the cards up above and also in the description box so you guys can check it out a little bit later. But anywho, for today's video, Subella did send over their gray human hair straight wig. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. As you can see, she's definitely giving off that gray silver tonish vibe. They do offer this unit in both 4x4s and 13x4s. I received the 13x4. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, one in the back, one on each side, and then one in the very center. And then it also has adjustable straps. This unit is offered in multiple different lengths of 12 all the way down to 30 inches. I received the 26 inch. This unit is also offered in multiple densities of 150%, 180%, and 220%. Now, because this is a straight unit and I don't really like for my straight units to be like super bulky or super thick, but of course I want them to have some type of density to them. You know, I don't want no limp straight unit, if you know what I mean. I did opt for the 180% density unit. According to the website, it does say that this unit is supposed to fit a 22.5 inch circumference head. Now mind you, I do have a 23 inch circumference size head, but I feel like we should be okay. I also wanted you guys to know that this unit did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck just a few more hairs. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to install this unit. The last Subella unit I had, I absolutely loved it, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this one as well. I don't think I'm going to be like styling it any type of crazy way or anything like that. Seeing as how it is a straight unit, I do want to show it in a straight stage, so I don't know. Also with the color, it's just like, I don't know, I don't want to do too much, but I'm gonna stop jacking my jaws. I keep looking over here at the wig because I'm just like, what am I about to do with you? But anyways, I'm gonna stop jacking my jaws. Let's go ahead and get into this install.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Subella. Actually, before we talk about this unit, if you see like this little light reflection situation right here, I am fighting against the sunset at the moment. So yeah, I apologize if the lighting has changed a little bit because it is later in the day. But anywho, y'all, This unit is beautiful, okay? When I first took it out of the pack, I can't lie, I was a little bit like, this can either go all the way right or either all the way wrong. In my opinion, it ended up all the way right. Now, I'm well aware that this is not a unit that's for everybody. It's for somebody who either likes some color, or either somebody who wants to step out of the box, or even for someone who is older. I know a lot of the times whenever we see gray hair, we automatically associate it with someone who is of older age, but I don't know, in my opinion, I feel like any and everybody can wear gray hair. I mean, like, it's just hair, it's just the color. At first, I was a little bit scared about the unit just because the grays that I'm typically okay with wearing have some type of black in them. Clearly, this one has no black whatsoever. It's just a straight up like gray, silver, bluish, grayish, silverish type of moment. I also think gray hair can work on anybody depending on the way that you style it. Seeing as how this is a straight unit and I kept it in a straight state, I don't know, I feel like it does give slight youthful vibes. But also I'm noticing, well, I'm not noticing, everybody who I've talked to or seen with this wig on today has called me Storm. And if you've seen X-Men, then of course you know who Storm is, the one and only Halle Berry. And I mean, let's be real, she's a baddie, so I'll take the compliment. The quality of the hair is very nice. It came out super soft. It straightened very well. I am having a few snags here and there, but nothing too crazy. My favorite thing about this unit is the lace. The lace melted so nicely into my skin. I was just like, oh yes ma'am, we love to see that. I also really appreciate the fact that they did go in and pre-pluck this unit. Like I stated earlier, I did go in and pluck just a little bit more, but again, nothing too serious. And I mean, just like, look at this. You can't tell me this ain't even scalp. Now this is just a little bit of advice. If you plan on going in with foundation on the inside of the cap, be better than me and not like me. What I mean when I say that is don't go in so heavy-handed with the foundation. It ended up bleeding onto the hair, which then ultimately made it look like I over-bleached the knots. But I mean, I didn't bleach anything when it came to this unit. Thankfully, it's just foundation, so I know that it'll wash out really easily, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that. When it comes to the fit of the unit, she's most definitely big head friendly. I always get a little bit nervous when it comes to units that don't have the pre-attached security band, or either just one you can just like put in yourself. But I don't know, lately I'm starting to realize it's okay if it doesn't have that. This unit ended up fitting really nicely actually. Even without the security band, I was able to go in two notches, not notches, hooks. Lord, I can't talk. I was able to go in 2 hooks on loops. Loops is the word I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. What I'm trying to say is I was able to go in 2 loops on the adjustable part to make the unit tighter. Y'all, I know it's definitely getting too late for me because I can't talk. I'm starting to get sleepy. So I'm going to wrap this up by saying 10 out of 10 would recommend. You guys for sure need to check out Subella hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.